Hello everyone, I'm Stephen Law, President of the Hong Kong Institute of CPAs. As we welcome the Year of the Horse, I extend my warmest Chinese New Year greetings to you and your families. None of our achievements would be possible without your dedication. Together, we strengthen our profession and reinforce Hong Kong's position as a trusted global financial center. Looking ahead, we will continue to build a future-ready profession by investing in digital skills and talent development, deepening cross-regional cooperation, and advancing sustainable practice. Let us embrace the energy of the horse, stay united, and seize new opportunities. 恭祝各位馬年大吉，龍馬精神，馬到功成。